Please tell us how is your experience so far is drone training us.
Okay, so I've flown drones before for recreation of my youth. But since you has come here, there's a completely different experience, especially the drone deploy. The fact that you can just set it up as it come up with maps for you. It does radio, it does panels and so forth. It's completely eye-opening and mind-blowing all at the same time.
What do you think about your instructor? How is she making this information available to you?
Her hair is out of this world amazing in the way that she communicates, whether it be online or one-on-one instruction. There's no doubt that the information is retainable and is very accurate as well.
Last off, what is your ultimate goal for after this training?
My ultimate goal for this training is to assist the Ministry of Agriculture in mapping every single farm on that to help us increase food security.